Hi, my name is David Henderson, and I'm a presentation skills coach with Spoken with Authority. I'm also a lawyer, and I have the pleasure of being a legal analyst on CNBC, The News with Shepard Smith. From time to time, you may also see me on MSNBC or NBC commenting about civil rights issues because I'm a civil rights lawyer. But I wasn't always. When I first graduated from law school, I went to work for a large law firm called Vinson & Elkins, and in between that job and my current role, I've worn many different hats as a lawyer, more than any other lawyer that you're likely to meet, and that equips me to help you with your communication needs in many different contexts because I've made virtually every mistake for you so that you don't have to live through the frustration and humiliation. My specialty is helping lawyers inside and outside the courtroom. Inside the courtroom, I teach mock trial skills. In fact, I've tried over 70 cases to a jury, ranging from civil cases to human trafficking to capital murder. I've also worked as a trainer for prosecutors across the state of Texas on CLE courses, including basic trial skills and advanced trial skills. Outside the courtroom in 2010, by some miracle, I won Toastmasters World Championship of Public Speaking, but please do not hold this video against Toastmasters. I only mention that so that you know that I've worked on improving my communication skills in a variety of different contexts. So again, I can help you in a variety of different contexts because my expertise doesn't just include working with lawyers, it also includes working with future lawyers. And I hope I get the chance to work with you.